How to add photo and video together on Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to add both video and photo in a single Instagram story, what you will have to do is add the video first and then only add the picture. If you add the picture first, you will not be able to add the video later. So let me show you by example. So first, for example, I posted this video, adjust it in the frame and then tap on the sticker icon. Then go to photo. Now you will be able to add pictures and both picture and video in your Instagram story. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.